Enterprise resource planning refers to a type of software that organizations use to manage day to day activities of a business enterprise like accounting, manufacturing, HR, marketing, sales, etc. Implementation of good ERP software will help companies to optimize their business processes, improve vendor and supply chain management, increase transparency across the departments, and provide more clarity. Offbus Cloud ERP from Nubus Opus provides an end-to-end open source solution that integrates and automates many of the business processes of an enterprise in an inexpensive way. It provides the foundation and starting point for a reliable, secure, and scalable enterprise solution. Unlike traditional proprietary products that forces you to pay license fees indefinitely, your Offbus ERP product is yours to keep. Nubus Opus empowers you to own and have full control over your system going forward. Offbus main modules include Party, Catalog, Facility, Order, Accounting, Manufacturing, SFA, HR, etc. Let's log into the system and view the various modules. Party module. The party module is used to manage any party that can be a person or a company or group of parties, customers, suppliers, employees, vendors, or leads for the business. The profile of the organization and all the necessary information about the organization is set up using this module. The party module is used to create login credentials for all users of the system. Catalog module. The catalog module is used to manage the products which are purchased, sold, manufactured, or used by the company. Some of its key features are: it supports unlimited stores, catalogs, categories, and products. It handles a range of products: physical, digital, downloadable, and actual products. Price rules for customers or group specific pricing can be set using this. Online store promotions can be done using the catalog module. Integration with major payment gateway providers. Keyword search capability for all its functions. Facility module. Facilities are otherwise known as warehouses. This module is used to manage and set up single or multiple warehouses, inventory locations, serialized or non-serialized inventory, manage shipments, pick list and packaging, receive inventory and manage return. Order module. The order module allows you to enter and maintain orders, codes, requests and report on them. It allows us to manage purchase and sales orders from the creation and approval to the goods packing and shipping. Accounting module. It supports standard double entry general ledger, supports multiple organizations, account hierarchies and segmentation, accounts receivables, accounts payables, invoices, payments, statements and reports, agreement contracts and credit management, asset management including depreciation, budgeting management, support for payment gateways and payment processing, financial reporting, fully integrated with order management, inventory, purchasing, and manufacturing out of the box. Manufacturing module. Manufacturing module is one of the core application modules and has all the functionality you need to manage the cycle of tasks involved in the making of products and ensuring that the material necessary for production is forecast to be available at the right time. HR module. The Offbus HR module is one of the core application components and has all of the functionalities you need to manage a business employee process, organizational hierarchies, recruitment, training, and evaluation. It is well integrated with other components, especially accounting, to manage payroll and any specific employee agreements. Based on the requirements of the organization, Offbus Cloud ERP can be personalized and customized. For further details, contact Nubus Opus. Thank you.